stuck him! Oh! Broken down the... Got a teammate! Got him! Hit one. Killed him. Oh, I killed myself. Where do I go? I have another self-res. Let's go! Oh my gosh, we deserve it. Oh, that was a great game. We'll go there another time.
Damn, I probably just played around those boxes a little.
My bad.
Survived.
He picked up his teammate. I got him.
Did he?
Yeah, we got him.
Oh, I thought I finished. Fuck, your
another
game
car.
like reacts to it basically. I don't know if it's supposed to be to play it.
I stuck him! Oh! I stuck him!
Oh! What the fuck?
Holy sh!
What the fuck?
Oh!
Dude, that was like, you should have, if you said Kobe, that's the only thing that could have made that better. Wow.
Yes! He got up! He got up! No, reloading!
I think it's Buddy.
I think he
You sure?
revives. Oh my gosh.
Dude, that was sick.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Dead silence, baby. One down.
That was close.
Whoa. Too close.
Better go finish him off, he's probably...
Yeah. He's rezzing.
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice,
There we
dude.
go. Nice.
Nice.
Now I can res you. Oh!
Yeah?
Are you good?
Yeah.
It's two people.
I have 7 sniper bullets, so...
He's in the window. Broken. Downed him. Downed him.
Nice.
He's got a teammate. Got him.
Nice.
Is the other one dead? Yeah, yeah, nice, dude.
All the way. Nice shot.
Let's go. Thanks.
Cool.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Enemy soldier
guy
incoming.
dropped down.
Is he on him?
Guy dropped down right next to your building.
He's flesh.
Nice.
I don't see any shields. Is that on? I think that was on you. Oh, I see them. They're in your. Almost down one. Down one right here. Yep. I might get up.
Oh, the other guy downstairs?
Nice. I think that guy's gonna get up.
Yeah, the guy, yeah.
He's in the
Yeah,
storm.
he said he's self-bred, like you're hearing.
Okay. Oh, you hear him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, guy downstairs?
Oh.
On me? What the fuck? Where'd this guy come from? Guy just went outside, right to the downstairs.
Wow. Sorry, bro.
It's okay.
I don't know why I
right
can't
now.
hear anybody right now. This has a battery. What?
Yeah, it's really smart that they did that.
Gas is closing.
That's pretty
I feel like
crazy.
You have to use it a whole lot though for it to run out.
True.
That's a while.
Big dive.
Nice. Nice circle movement.
Yep. Yep.
So it looks like it's 1v.
Fuck.
I think there's 3 teams of 1 and 1 team of 2.
Ah, I'm scared, man.
Or 4 teams of 1.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
Is it duo left?
Yep.
New safe zone located.
They're gonna underestimate you.
I don't see them.
They're right there to the left. Nice. He's
See
probably-
any
the other
more?
guys get going the same direction. Keep looking. He's gonna be coming in the circle right there.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
go.
Oh my gosh, we deserve it. Oh, that was a great game.
That's a great game, dude. What was that? 13 kills for you?
Really? Sheesh. I don't know.
Was that the first
Let's
game,
go.
or was that the second game, dude? Again, baby.
Let's go. Proximity chat.
What's up, dude? What up? What up?
Riley's back. What's up? What's up? Da 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 da. On fire. He's on fire, mates.
Oh, you see him? Should I do it?
Oh, yeah. Dude, I don't know. You might be asking for a death sentence. I mean, you can go ahead, man. Do what you feel in your gut.
It's worth it. One down. It's
Is that
worth
the
it.
class?
What?
Is that the sniper that was one hit?
Oh, no. He didn't have any armor. I hear him.
To get up his dude?
There we go. Nice. Yeah, a sniper too. He did get him up. That was scary. Wow. That probably scared him. They had a UAV. Peeking the door. It's 2 others left. I think, right? They're fighting.
Yeah.
Perfect. I see one. They're both up there. They're fighting right now. Hit one. Killed him.
Got one.
One's to the left, I think. Where are they?
I see where he is, but I gotta
Okay.
finish this fucking asshole.
Inside, inside.
He's up red.
Oh, he's one hit! Nice.
Far from the safe zone.
It's one more somebody. Yeah, I saw him outside. He's up. Oh no, that's gas. One more somewhere.
I know he's up the hill.
Okay. Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm gonna. Oh, I have gas mask.
Ooh, that should have been a one. That was a headshot. That
One
should
sec,
be a
one sec.
dub right there.
I don't see him.
I got a headshot sniper shot. That should be a fucking.
I don't see him.
Shit.
Oh, I killed myself.
Well, jump up, you fat fuck.
Oh my gosh. I think my gas mask broke. It did. You're up. How are you up right now?
I don't know.
I have another self-res.
Oh, he got me. If
I got
had
him!
my
I got him!
shield-
I got him! I got him! Oh my gosh!
Let's go!
Oh! Oh!
That was a
2
crazy
self-res!
in-
2 self-reses.
How did you survive?
Oh my gosh, because I self-res. And it
How
gave
did
me
I
health.
survive? How did any of us survive?
Holy
crap.
shit. I killed myself for my own airstrike.
Oh my god.
Oh,
that
let's
just makes me
go.
cooler, honestly. Wow, holy shit.
If you didn't shoot him, I wouldn't have got him though. So it's both of us. Let's go. 10 kills each. 20 bomb.
Ah! Ah! Is that the last guy? Yeah! Yeah!
Chewy has won the game. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking get it. Woo! Look at that cash, baby. First Warzone dub. You saw it here first. W in the chat. Let's go. We did it. Finally. W's, W's, W's.